Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to discuss the relationships worth keeping. When it comes to relationships, whether it's dating relationships, marriage, friendships, or even working relationships, it's really important that we engage in relationships that encourage us, correct us, and sometimes even challenge us. For example, you would never go to a dentist who wouldn't correct your teeth. You would never go to a physical trainer who doesn't challenge you to hit your goals. You more than likely wouldn't go to a counselor who wouldn't encourage you from time to time. So the question I have is why is it that sometimes we have a tendency to engage and remain in relationships that neither encourage us, correct us, or challenge us? In 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 11, Paul writes to the church in Thessalonica, and here's what he says. He says, "So encourage each other and build each other up, just as you are already doing." There was a group of believers in Thessalonica that Paul, Silas, and Timothy wrote to who were living out their faith in a remarkable way while enduring persecution from some of their fellow countrymen. Because of these challenges they were facing, the apostles wrote to them to remind them how important it is to encourage and build one another up. He wanted them to encourage one another in the moments when life didn't seem fair and their faith was running low. He wanted them to correct one another if a brother or sister became enticed by sin and stopped living to please God. Lastly, he wanted them to challenge one another, build one another up as they wait in eager anticipation for the return of Jesus. This week, take the time to assess some of the relationships that you have. Are they encouraging you? Are they correcting you? Are they challenging you? If so, these are relationships worth keeping.